What kind of cake is this?
I'll cut him a piece. What kind of cake is that, Caleb?
Look at you.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Is it a dump truck?
No.
What is it? What was that? Couldn't get him to say it was chocolate
Is it a
before. He kept
tractor?
saying it was a lawnmower. What is it?
That's a tractor.
It's a bus.
Is it a bus? No. What is it? What is it, Caleb? Chalk.
Sweet and
Hannah, do you want a piece of cake? Okay.
like cake.
Excuse me, camera.
Yeah. Good cake. Did Jenny do good on her cake?
She did.
Good. Very good.
Hannah, do you want the tire or a headlight? Headlight?
No. No.
You're welcome. Does your brother want some?
Yeah,
Little
man.
piece, Jenny. I don't know how much you'll eat. Come on, you want to sit
I've
here?
plenty.
Can you
It's
sit
not a
here?
big deal.
Daddy.
I don't think you like it, kid.
Yeah.
It's gonna go out of
Caleb,
there.
is that good? Is it
You
good?
gonna be good sitting right here?
Caleb,
You gonna be okay?
Of course.
is that good?
Hannah, you need help, I can help you, okay?
Because if not, you know what? The tickle monster will come out.
Who?
Cup.
You want some more?
Yeah.
Here's
Is it
for
good
whoever
cake,
wants
Hannah?
some.
Yeah, I get a piece.
Yeah.
Hey.
You want some more?
Okay.
So mean.
But
What, Nani can cut it for you? Here, Nani cut it?
You want to bring this to
You
Noah?
want to cut it? Okay.
Right here, Bobby.
Want to help?
Down next to him.
What, honey? That was a cool tractor, wasn't it?
You do
I
it.
can get you some water. A little pop.
There you go.
Oh, rats!
Hey, Kat. This one's for Noah.
no.
I'm not sure. Laura went that way now.
No.
Still Jenny.
Alec, did you?